India today reported 26,727 new Covid-19 cases in the last 24 hours, an increase of 13% from yesterday. The total number of coronavirus cases rose to 3,37,66,707 with the new infections. At least 277 COVID-related deaths were also reported in the last 24 hours, taking the total fatalities to 4,48,339. The active cases comprise of 0.82% of the total infections, the lowest since March 2020, while the active case load at the present stands at 2,75,224, the lowest in 196 days. The national COVID-19 recovery rate was recorded at 97.86%, highest since March 2020. At least 28,246 people have recovered in the last 24 hours from COVID-19, taking the total number of recoveries to 3,30,43,144 in India. With 1.44 lakh active cases, Kerala has the highest active cases and accounts to 52% of the cumulative cases of COVID-19 in India, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare has informed. The number of the cases are declining in Kerala, but the state still contributes a substantial number of total cases in the country. Meanwhile, Gujarat recorded 20 new cases of COVID-19 in the last 24 hours, which took the caseload to 8,25,936 in the state, according to the State Health Department on Thursday. With no fresh fatalities reported during the day due to the pandemic, the death count remains unchanged at 10,082. There are 158 active cases in the states, including 4 patients who are on ventilators. The Delhi government has allowed the reopening of religious places in the city for devotees from today with strict adherence to COVID guidelines and standard operating procedures. Religious places in the national capital were closed for devotees for over 5 months since April 19, 2021, following the imposition of a lockdown due to the severe second wave of COVID infection. Although the Delhi Disaster Management Authority order has now permitted the entry of devotees in religious places, it prohibited large gatherings there.
Subscribe to Oneindia channel and never miss an update.